So we got an idea of it. Okay, whenever f of alpha, what will happen? 0. F of beta, 0. Why? They are the roots of the equation. Okay. So the graph should come like this. Where does the point -1? Here -1, here 1. Okay. 1. Here 0. For -1, the y coordinate is somewhere in the third quadrant. Anywhere you can put, anywhere. For x equal to 0, the corresponding function value, any positive number, you put somewhere here. Value is not necessary. For x equal to 1, again the corresponding y coordinate is a negative, somewhere here. So how can you join the points? First point, second point, third point. So therefore the graph comes like this. Now this crossing point represent the roots of the equation. So here x coordinate is alpha, y coordinate is 0. Here also x coordinate beta, y coordinate 0. Okay. We have identified the place, approximate place of alpha. Now we want the step of alpha only. Okay. For example, in step function, step of alpha, so some more information we have to listen in case of the step. Step of minus 2.01, how much? Minus 3. Step of minus 2.1, minus 3. Step of minus 2.9, also minus 3. Step of minus 2 point something, any something value is minus 3. So here the alpha value, x value lies between -1 and 0. So alpha value may be minus 0 point something, minus 0 point, maybe minus 0.1 or maybe minus 0.99 also, but lies between 0 and -1. So the integral part of any minus 0 point something, minus 0.4, what is the integral part? -1. Minus 0.2001, integral part -1. So the integral part of alpha also is -1. So I will write that reason. From the graph, you can observe that we are observing alpha value lies between -1 and 0. That is shown as alpha belongs to -1 comma 0. Alpha is any number between -1 and 0. Therefore, step of alpha means integral part is -1. Okay, next let us go to the beta. Beta lies where? Where does beta lies? Between 0 and 1. For any number between 0 and 1, you say some numbers 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.999, you say. Their integral part how much? 0.1 we can write as 0 plus 0.1. Now this is integral part. For 0.2, 0 plus 0.2. Integral part is 0. For 0.9999, 0 plus 0.99999. Integral part is 0. Therefore, for any number between 0 and 1, its integral part is 0. So, because of that reason, the step of beta also equal to 0. beta belongs to 0 to 1. The value lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, step of beta is equal to 0. We want step of alpha plus step of beta. Step of alpha plus step of beta is equal to -1 plus 0 is -1. That is the answer. Okay. In the next class, let us meet with some new model problems.